Right, so I'm about to start making my favourite dish, which is the Thai green curry using this maple oil paste, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about this knife sharpener. Now I've been using this for about 2 months and it's absolutely fantastic. Prior to using that one, I was using this, where you get the knife and you just pull it through like that. I never feel safe doing it that way, and to be honest with you, I don't get the best outcome when I'm using it. So I'm going to show you this one in depth, how to use it, how to sharpen it, and just how good it actually is. Okay, so as I was saying, normally I'd use this, you hold it like that and then you just drag it across, but I just never feel completely safe. With this one, however, you just pop it down and you draw it through like that. But to show you how good it is, I'm just going to give you an example of something. Right, so the knife's been sharpened and you can see, just pull it through and it cuts. No, it's not dragging or anything, it's just cutting. So that's a sharpened knife. However, here I've got a diamond sharpening block. And what I'm going to do, so I can feel how sharp that is on my fingers, I'm going to, however, draw it across this diamond sharpening block a few times, just get it nice and blunt. Right, now I can run that across my fingers and there's nothing, because it is now dull. And we'll see how dull it is. There we go. See how dull it is when I pull it across the paper now. It's not cutting into it. You can feel it dragging and going off. A little bit more. Do it again. You can see it's not doing a very good job of that at all. Right, okay. So, just one last draw across there, as I say. Run my fingers across it, not a problem. Get rid of the mess. Now what we'll do is bring this up, you put it in at an angle like that and you draw it, and as you draw it, as it starts to sharpen, you can feel it drag. Now obviously I'm having to do this quite a few times because it was very blunted by me. You know. Normally if you were just keeping an edge on it, you just pull it through a couple of times. Okay, that's getting there. As you can see, these are sprung. So basically, as you pull your knife through, they open so that you've always got tension on it. Right, now that's sharp. Okay, let's just pop that to one side. Get this back again. And you can see, just cutting through it. Not a problem. Just one more. Just slices through. So now this is going to be ready for me to do my chicken. So fantastic. Big recommendation. Really easy to use. Your fingers are kept out of the way at the side. You just pull it through like that, and that keeps the edge on it. You saw it run over the sharpening stone. That was completely blunt. Now, so much sharper. So much sharper. Right, so big recommendation. Right, so just to show it in use, there you go. Smoothly going through. This isn't the best knife, it's just a cheap knife, but it's cutting a dream. We'll do another one. Bring that down. And through, 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 and through. Oops, last bit there. So really, really good.